Hey guys, what's up? It's time to make some freaking ramen noodles. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, Raymen Nodales. Okay. So we like it spicy. We want the spicy. What does it say spicy? Right there. Gourmet. Spicy. Oh my god. Wow. So, directions. Okay, whatever. We need to do something like that. I don't. Raymen Nodales. So, then you get. I don't like this angle. Where can I go? I don't like this angle. This angle is also bad. Oh, wait, no. We are gonna be sitting because that's the YouTube life. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so. Waiter. Did you guys just see that? Okay, then, we do like, okay, watch this. I don't know if you can see, but we are putting it on power boil because it needs to get really powered up real fast. Ooh, see, look at that red. Wow, she's hot. Okay. So while the water boils, we are just gonna be chillin'. Hashtag chillin'. Oh my god. So my last video got like 50 views or something. Wow, yeah. Big 50. I didn't say 15. I said 50. 50 views. So obviously, upcoming next YouTuber. There's a ghost. There's a ghost. Actually, it's not. Okay, I think I'm fine. Am I fine? Am I? So, wow, it's really hot. I think I might die, so, BRB. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. My water is vaping, not clickbait. Vape. Oh my god, illegal, illegal. It's vaping. Okay, now we need to put the Raymen Nodales. Oh my god, what do I need to do? Put this in. I'm just gonna eat them raw because it's good. If you knew that, then you're good. Yes. Yes, darling. Oh no, it's going too fast. Okay. Good. And there's extra, so. But I kind of want to eat some. It's feeling really good. Oh, yes. Okay. So now we're gonna add the vegetables to the Raymen Nodales. Oh, that just flew. It's cooking. She is cooking. Wow, cooking legend. Okay, but literally the only thing I know how to make is Raymen Nodales, so don't at me. But okay, I might die, so BRB. These Raymen Nodales are really just a vape gun. Like, it's vaping so hard right now. Like, can I be a good hit, bro? Please, just one hit off your jewel, bro. Please, bro. Just one hit, bro. Please, bro. So now we are gonna add the spicy sauce. Yes, yes. So it's like red, so that obviously means spicy in American language. Oh, the vape is burning me. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna. Oh, I need to turn it down. That's why. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Ah, it's spilling. Look. She's coming to, you literally can't see. The vape is just too, whoa, it went away. The vape is just too hard. Like, I think it's done. I don't know. Okay, so she's done, straight out of the oven. Not confident of that. What do you think I was gonna say? Okay, anyway, I literally eat this like every day. I actually ate this yesterday, and I only have one bag left. I might die, so let me know. So I'm just gonna eat it out of the pot because who needs a bowl? Wow, can you see that? Peep the gold eyeshadow that I thought you couldn't see the entire time. Oh my god, I just felt a popping feeling in my eye. Am I gonna lose my eyesight? Anyway, so she's still vaping a little bit, but the vape will end soon. The vape test is almost over. All the liquid like evaporated, which is sad because I like the liquid a little bit. Should I add more? BRB. I'm just gonna reference a Vine without saying the words that are said in the Vine, and if you understand it, then you're good. That was the Vine. Comment down below if you, or just don't comment because I know I will get no comments. Comment if you understand the reference. So now we're gonna try it. It's so hot. I'm literally quaking. It's not spicy hot. It is spicy. Oh my god, I just burned my hand. Okay, we're gonna have to wait. This is some tea. It's like very hot tea. So we're gonna have to wait. It's time to try. Hashtag ASMR. It's good. As always, it's good. I mean, 10 out of 10 would recommend Raymen Nodales, so buy them from your local, what's it called now? It used to be called Marukai Market. Now it's called something else. Is it like Tokyo Market? I don't know. It's in Torrance by Rite Aid and Fit Kids, where I used to learn gymnastics. So go get it now because this is some bomb shit. Bye guys. That was literally disgusting.